Today we're going to talk about a few hypotheses, and it's a conversation. So maybe at the end of the day, you may take back something, you may not, you may drop what you want. But I'm going to discuss some hypotheses just to know whether this is true what we're discussing, huh? First is I want to discuss that our genes don't carry our destiny. Okay, because I was born into a family that has this sickness, need not necessarily be the sickness that I carry. That's the first thing that I want to discuss. What do I carry becomes what do I believe what I carry. Okay. And what I believe, beliefs are not just linguistic patterns, beliefs are linguistic patterns which has a lot of emotional investments associated with it. So beliefs are linguistic patterns in which we have strong emotional investments. What do you believe is going to happen, or what do you believe is got a truth value to it that becomes your that becomes a belief in which you have a somatic investment in. Have you watched a movie and your heartbeats changed? Have you gone to a disco club and your heartbeat started racing? that means that means my biology can be changed by thought. That means my biology can be changed even externally. When I change my biology, what changes? My blood pressure changes, my whole inner biology changes, the emission of cortisol, the endothelial, the nitric oxides, the proportion of all these changes. Now, my body is equipped to change with the change and adapt with the change if that's for a short time. But if it is prolonged exposure, and if it is an exposure of that feeling for 1 year, then my body will begin to suffer. The immune system is the way the body takes care of itself. My thoughts can be hijacked, manipulated. My state can be manipulated. And like I said in the beginning, that the immune system cannot verify if there is a joke or are you being stupid. It responds to it. Oh, okay, the guy is laughing, must be everything is fine. Let's start the repair work. There's no problem. There's no danger in his world. Let's start the repair work. Let's start with the varicose vein. It may take 4 months. Let's start with the thyroid. Well, it may take 6 months. But then you stop laughing after 10 minutes. It gets back into defense. You're not giving it sufficient time to repair what's damaged, what's broken. Now, forget that. Forget that just for some time. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Are you thinking about something here? Okay. So your thoughts create your biology. And the thoughts that you run as an automatic program for a long time has hardened and created this biology. Now, even when you start laughing, let's say you're seeing this joke, you're seeing Sheep Detective and something happened and you laughed. Huh. But the 15-year-old would have laughed differently, right? So keep the story that serves you. But remember, there are many stories within the story. Yeah. So that's the whole point. Don't lock on to a story, because that's not the only story. Change your stories. Change the story of how you came to be till here, because that changes the biology that you hold.